We do want to show you that it really is a sight to see out here. You can see behind me that there is several trees that are uprooted. You can see behind me that this home, there's a lot of damage. We've also noticed a lot of tree poles that are leaning, and then there's also a lot of debris out here. Now, we did get a chance to speak with the couple's family, and they say they're shocked that last night's tornado leveled their grandparents' home and took their lives.
Yeah, obviously, we've never seen anything remotely resembling this.
A place that 89 and 86-year-old Ed and Arlene Kozlowski once called home is now gone. We spotted Indiana Urban Search and Rescue Team sifting through the debris, along with their son-in-law, Steve Rayfelt, and his son, Matthew Rayfelt, who traveled from Peatone to see the damage. The elderly couple both unable to get out of the debris alive. Relatives believe this all happened within a blink of an eye.
They've lived a good life, and boy, I have to imagine this was just, hey, what's going on? And it was over that quick.
Lake Village was left with extensive damage that crews are just starting to clear. Stephen Travis says he survived the tornado but lost everything.
The roof's gone, all in 20 seconds. You know, walked in the bedroom, got knocked down, cried in the closet, and it's over. Come back out, crawl out, and the roof's gone, everything. So, you know, trees are down, windows blowed out. We lost everything.
And we wanted to give you that another perspective of we just mentioned of those tree poles that are leaning and those that are also on the ground. We do know that North Newton High School Lake Village serves as an emergency shelter for anyone displaced by the storm. And the Lake Village Fire Department is also serving as a rallying point. Reporting live in Lake Village, Indiana, Sade Gray, CBS News, Chicago.